from here. Toe pad break on 1 and 2, turn on 3 and 4. Again, 5 and 6, turn on 7 and 8. And then you turn in 1 up, 2 up, 3. Hold 4. Okay, just wave feeling, okay? After the second turn finish, right? From turn you front, turn you back, and plie. And hold 1 count, you're on the down turn. Okay? And then just break to the corner, to the sideway, and then you continue repeat whole thing again. Okay, one more time. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, hold 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, continue to go up. Okay? So after you finish the turn, second one, just simply arm just wave, wave, stay. That's it. You only do two turns in, not that much. And back, just plie. Okay? Head up.